In today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to change file name in iPhone photo gallery. Go to your Photos app, go to Library, and open the photo, which photo you want to rename. And then from the photo, tap on Share and tap on Save to Files. And here, before saving the photo to your Files app, tap on this photo name, and then you'll be able to easily rename the photo from here. Then tap on Save. Once the photo saved to your Files app, go to your Files app and just navigate to the folder where you just saved the photo. So I'm going Browse and going to the folder, and here we can see the photo I just renamed. And that's how you can actually do it.